Hey, welcome back in, everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 2008 Ford Mustang Roush P51. Now, since the moment we got this, I've been dying to take this out, so I'm really excited about this test drive. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That'll turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime we do a video. You don't miss out on the car of your dreams. Now, the purpose of these virtual test drive videos isn't just for me to really enjoy myself. It is for you to be able to see the vehicle out in its natural habitat and virtually put you in the driver's seat no matter where you are in this world. That way you can get a sense of how it goes down the road, what it sounds like, pretty much proving, yes, these are real cars. They do really drive. For all additional information, when we're done, go on over to volocars.com, V-O-L-O cars.com. We have a couple hundred pictures, undercarriage, inside, outside, selling price, a real detailed write-up. We try to give you as much information as possible, so when you give us a call to buy a car, you're knowledgeable, you're confident, and everything goes a lot smoother for both parties. All right, let's get in. Really comfortable seat here. I'll go ahead and get the seatbelt on before I forget. All right, so it is a 2008. So here, let's go and start her up. Has all the bells and whistles you'd expect from there. The interior is just killer. I love the carbon fiber that's in here. The seats with the P51 on them. If you have never heard about this car before, or like why it's a P51, Google it, go to our website, we write up about it. It's just an incredible car, and plus it's Roush supercharged. It's amazing. Up here on the dash and the gauges, it actually says Roush in there on the tachometer, speedometer. Let's see, it has a power seat, so whatever you want to do there. Power windows, the stereo system. Sounds great. Let's see, what else can I say about this? You know what? Any information you want to know about it, go to our website. I'm excited to get this out on the road, and this is the first time we've had a chance to take it out on the road. I may be one of the only ones in the museum that's able to put a couple miles on this. So I'm gonna start off getting a hang of her, and then I will open it up a little bit later in the video. So let's go for a ride. You just hear it. Clutch feels awesome. The accelerator's perfectly responsive. The steering's straight, no play in it. Shifts into second, really easy. Same with third. It's almost like one finger shifting if you wanted to. This thing, it has your controls up here for your speedo, or for your cruise control and everything. It looks brand new in this car. I'm seeing it has 6,700 miles. 12 years, you can tell it's been babied. This is just such an awesome car. Really solid going over that bumpy road, not a single squeak or anything. Just a really nice ride. And good news, I just passed some cops. They didn't automatically pull me over because I was in this. The smile has not left my face since I sat in this car. I'm sure it'll be the same way with whoever buys this. goodness. Every single gear, you just give this gas and wow. It's over 500 horsepower. I could definitely feel that. My goodness. Still easy to control when you're hitting those gears. Here, let's roll up the window, see how quiet it gets in here. It's like you're in your own cockpit right here. This is just something else. And just to prove it goes in all 5 gears, there you go. This car is something special. Whoa, she gets loose too if you get on her too much. Woo! That's why I said I always try to be a little easy on the first pass and give it a little bit more, just so I know if it is going to do something, I can control it. Wow, this thing is fun. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I said, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you get notified. And now's the time to head on over to volocars.com and give our sales team a call. As always, I appreciate you.